Hi everyone, I am Varun Kumar and now we are going to discuss setting page layout. In this section, we are going to discuss how to hiding or displaying grid lines and heading in Microsoft Excel. As you can see, if grid lines are the faint line that appear between cell on the worksheet. As you can see in the picture that there is a faded line and all this made a different cell in Microsoft Excel. What are grid lines? When working with grid lines, consider the following. By default, grid lines are displayed in worksheets using a color that is assigned by Excel. If you want to change, you can change the color of the grid line for a particular worksheet by clicking grid line color under display option for this worksheet, file tab option, advanced category. People often confuse borders and grid line in Excel. Grid lines cannot be customized in the same manner that borders can. If you want to change the width or other attributes of the line for a border, see apply or remove cell border on a worksheet. If you apply a fill color to cell on your worksheet, you won't be able to see or print the cell grid line for those cells. To see or print the grid line for these cells, remove the fill color by selecting the cells and then click the arrow next to fill color button image, home tab front group. And to remove the fill color, click no fill. Note, you must remove the fill completely. If you change the fill color to white, the grid line will remain hidden. To keep the fill color and still see lines that serve to separate cells, you can use border instead of grid lines. For more information, see apply or remove cell borders on worksheet. Grid lines are always applied to the whole worksheet or workbook and cannot be applied to a specific cell or range. If you want to apply line selectively and around the specific cell or range of cell, you should use border instead of or in addition to grid line. For more information, see apply or remove cell borders on worksheet. Hide grid lines on a worksheet. If the design of your worksheet required it, you can hide the grid lines. As you can see in this picture, the grid lines, the cell boundaries are hidden from the Excel page. Select one or more worksheet. Tip: when multiple worksheets are selected, group appears in the title bar at the top of the worksheet. To cancel a selection of multiple worksheets in a workbook, click any unselected worksheet. If no unselected sheet is visible, right-click the tab of selected sheet and then click Ungroup Sheets. In Excel 2007 on the View tab, in the Show Hide group, clear the grid checkbox. In 2007 Excel, we see that there is a checkbox for grid line. If we uncheck that, then we are able to hide the grid lines from the Excel file. But in all the other Excel version on the View tab, in the Show group, clear the grid line checkbox. And now in the Excel 2010, 16, 19, we have to again clear the checkbox to see the grid lines in our Excel page. So, grid lines on the worksheet. If the grid lines on your worksheet are hidden, you can follow these steps to show them again. Select one or more worksheet. Tip: when multiple worksheets are selected, groups appear in the title bar at the top of the worksheet. To cancel a selection of multiple worksheets in workbook, click any unselected worksheet. If no unselected sheet is visible, right-click the tab of the selected sheet and then click Ungroup Sheets. Excel 2007. On the View tab in Show Hide group, select the grid line checkbox. All other Excel version on the View tab in Show group, select the grid line checkbox. Note, grid line do not print by default. For grid line to appear on the printed page, select the print checkbox under grid line. Then only we are able to print the grid line as well as the text written in Excel files. Print grid line in a worksheet. By default, grid line don't appear on the printed Microsoft Excel worksheet. or workbook. This article describes how you can make the grid line appear in your printed worksheet. Select the worksheet or worksheets that you want to print. On Page Layout tab in the Sheet Options group, select the Print checkbox under Grid Lines. As you can see in this figure, if we want to print the grid lines, we have to check the this option in the Sheet option group. Click the File tab and then click Print. Keyboard shortcut, you can also print Ctrl plus P. Click the Print button and we are able to print the Excel file, Excel page with the grid lines if we check this box out.